Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Coinbase Commerce to accept crypto payments, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, go to the official Coinbase Commerce website. Click on the Get Started button to create a new account. Fill out the required information, including your email address and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log in to your Coinbase Commerce account. Next, navigate to the Settings tab in the dashboard. Here, you'll need to configure your payment settings. Add a new payment method by selecting your preferred cryptocurrency. Make sure to set up your wallet address for receiving payments. You may also adjust your notification settings for transaction updates. To integrate Coinbase Commerce with your website, go to the API Keys section. Generate a new API key for secure transactions. Copy the generated API key for later use. Now, head to your website's platform or CMS. If you're using WordPress, search for a Coinbase Commerce plugin. Install and activate the plugin from your dashboard. Configure the plugin settings by pasting in your API key. Save the changes once you complete the setup. For other platforms, refer to their specific integration instructions. Create a payment button in Coinbase Commerce for your products or services. Copy the HTML code provided for the payment button. Paste this code into your website where you want the button to appear. Conduct a test transaction to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Once confirmed, your site is ready to accept cryptocurrency payments. Monitor your transactions through the Coinbase Commerce dashboard. You're now set up to receive crypto payments with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.